Fun day today embroidering, guys. I had a denim jacket I have to do, right? Well, I'm in the process of doing it right now as I'm making this video. I had to share this because this is ridiculous. I've done some pretty crazy stuff with my Ricoma MT1501 before. I've embroidered on Timberlands, I've embroidered on thick belts. And even still, I always question, I wonder if this machine will be able to take this specific thing, right? So what I'm doing right now is I'm embroidering on the back, and it's done. I'm embroidering on the back of a denim jacket. And the denim jacket is thick, and it has really, 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 really thick seams. And I had to make a video on this to show you guys how it handled it. I did a little test on Instagram to see if people thought that it would be able to handle it or not. And I didn't get back the results from the poll yet, but it's going to be interesting to see if people think that the machine will be able to embroider what it's embroidering over top of those seams, because those seams are thick of Levi's denim jackets, guys. So I'm just gonna let you guys take a look at this specific job. And exactly what I had to do was, the design itself is supposed to say Clark Atlanta University, but the university part was too big. The university part of the design was too big, so I actually had to split it up in Digitizing and make it separate. So now you see, all I had to do is rehoop that and drop my hoop a little lower. Now I can embroider the university right here, right at the bottom right here, and it shouldn't be a problem. So let me take it over to the embroidery machine and finish this job up. Got to load up that university part and program the colors. All right, so we got to rehoop again because I felt like it was going to hit the bottom of the frame. So this time I raised it up and I came up off the bottom so my machine won't hit the bottom of the mighty hoop, and that's what I was afraid of. That's why I had to rehoop it. So if you look at the mighty hoop, when I put it on, the bottom part is actually not on the jacket. So this part right here is actually going to be like a little free. This bottom part right here. So yeah, it's just going to embroider straight across here. That way when I do my trace, it won't, and when it embroiders, it won't like hit this part right here. So that's why I had to come off the hoop a little bit. So little trick right there. You don't have to have all sections on the mighty hoop, you know. I mean, so far it's looking good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Very, very interesting job. Along with that, I'm doing a order from the website, and it's an applique design right now. Right now, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm cutting out the applique part, which is the difficult part because I'm using really, really thick felt. And I love the effect that it gives the applique design. It just makes it puff up. I call this, and you heard it here first, guys, 3D puff applique. 3D puff applique. And what that is when you overlap applique, it gets real thick and looks real puffy, and it creates a nice puffy effect. So yeah, this is came from my website, alnaway.com. If this is your alma mater, or if you know somebody, well, alma mater. If this is your where you went to undergrad, then hey, alnaway.com, and you can get this sweatshirt right here. I'm putting more HBCUs up on there. And today I also did some DTF. Customer came and picked those up already. Thank you so much, Carletta. I appreciate your business as usual. And the Revel 2402T kick butt, just like the MT1501 kick butt. And also today, this morning earlier, well, early afternoon, I got on the phone with Ricoma. They gave me a video call, and I was able to fix the timing on my second two head, which was super, super easy. So now that's one more skill I have under my belt, knowing how to fix timing. It's not even that serious. It's not even a tedious thing to do. It's easy to do. If you don't mind, you know, loosen up a few screws. It's really easy to do, fix the timing on your machine. So I'm excited about that. Now all my heads, all 6 of my heads are gonna be cooking on gas now with orders. There's no order I can't take, no order I'm nervous to take, because all my heads are like going crazy. Like they're embroidering like crazy. So here we go, y'all. Jacket is done. Jacket looks amazing. You guys can see the size of this design and why I had to split it in two. Yeah, the mighty hoop, and I used a 13 by 16 inch mighty hoop, and as you can tell, it just wasn't quite big enough going this way, 13 inches. It would have been like just making it, and the design would have hit the hoop. So if I can hold it up to the hoop, you can see that it was just too big. So I had to do this part first, right? And then I had to rehoop and do this part like that. So that's how I did that. All right, so yeah, you can see it wouldn't have been able to fit. So yeah, sometimes if you can't get something done, you just have to be creative to figure out a way that you can manipulate your equipment so you can get the job done anyway and get the thing to do what you need it to do so you can get the job done. And that's part of being a crafter, that's part of being a creator, that's part of being an embroiderer, that's part of being a digitizer, that's part of being a DTF printer. All these different mediums, if something can't do what you want it to do, if a piece of equipment that you have can't do what you need to do, you have to use your mind and use your equipment to be creative enough to get it to do that thing anyway. And that's what you witnessed me do right here. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this was enlightening. Let me know if you're going to try it with the split design. You just got to line it up real good, but I think it came out great. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Ricoma affiliate link down in the description below. If you want to purchase a Ricoma embroidery machine, you guys see embroidered right over those seams perfectly. Design looks flawless. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace.